It was Alfred's idea to start the A. Alfred Taubman Medical Research Institute. And what he said was the following: there are a lot of very good scientists and clinician scientists here at the University of Michigan. Let me give them some money, unfettered, so that they can do what I'll call high-risk research, with the idea that high-risk research, taking very innovative ideas, could lead to high rewards, which would be new therapies for patients.
The fact is that if you try 10 high-risk ventures and one of them turns out to be a major breakthrough, it's really tremendous. But it's very hard to get funding that way, because then you have to go through the other 9. But what the Taubman Institute money allows you to do is to try novel approaches, novel directions, and then when we find out which ones are really promising and work, then we can apply for other money to be able to get the research done.
I was fortunate enough to be able to host in the lab Mr. Taubman's daughter, Gail, and she was so interested in everything we do. She observed how we stain the tissues and how we grow the cells, and she also saw those neurons that are growing into the deaf ears and was very excited. And it's always a pleasure for me to be able to share the advances that we make and the breakthroughs with people from the Taubman family. It's very exciting for me and for the rest of the lab.
That kind of involvement and that kind of ongoing encouragement, that they're behind you, they believe in your ideas, they believe in the success of your program. They come and they meet the young students and the young investigators that are working on these projects, and they share their enthusiasm with those young people. I can tell you that there's not much more that you can do to motivate people to really want to succeed.
It's been just a fantastic experience. It's really been one of the great thrills of my life. And most especially, what I really enjoy is it's such a dynamic environment. We're going places and we all want to change the world, and we want to do it together, and that is something refreshing.
The vision of Alfred Taubman was to create a medical research institute that would foster collaboration, that would foster hope. And our motto is, where scientists create cures. And it really is happening now at the Taubman Institute, as you have heard. Our mission is to create new cures which will alleviate the suffering of thousands of patients. We're meeting that mission at the Taubman Institute.